In this section, we're going to talk about BGP attributes and the best path selection. BGP is one of the most important protocols for connecting different autonomous systems. Routing protocols use various algorithms to find the best way to the target network. BGP finds the best way to using BGP attribute parameters. For example, RIP uses the hop count to find the best way, and OSPF uses the cost value for the metric calculation. However, metric computation of BGP is not as easy as these protocols. BGP attributes are the way to label incoming or outgoing BGP routes. While some features are supported by all vendors, some are only specific to certain vendors. Some features are not traversed while others are traversed from one router to another. And here are the well-known BGP attributes. The mandatory features are the features that must be included in BGP update messages. The ASPath feature shows the number of autonomous systems to be traversed while reaching the target network. Less ASPath are always preferred. The next up feature specifies the next router to be traversed to the destination. Origin specifies how BGP learns the route, with IGP or EGP or in other forms with unknown origin. Local preference is used to determine the outputs from the local autonomous systems. A higher local preference value is always preferred. And atomic aggregate is used for routes created with route summarization. And here are the optional BGP attributes, and they are aggregator, which defines the router that performs the route summarization in the autonomous system. Community, which ensures BGP parameters are applied at group level. And MAD is set to low if it's desired that packets arrive at the proprietary. And the last optional BGP attribute is Cisco proprietary weight. It's defined locally on the router and is specific to the router, and higher weight value is always preferred. And here is the BGP's best path calculation step by step. The first BGP router looks to the number 1. Number 1 saying that reject the routes that come from inaccessible next hop address for the BGP best path calculation. If I'm learning a route from an inaccessible next hop, this route is rejected. Second, choose the highest weight. That's a Cisco proprietary value, as I said. For example, choose the routes coming from router 2 instead of router 3 if weight is configured higher value on router 2. Third, choose the highest local preference value. Okay. Fourth, if there's a route created by network command, choose it. And 5, choose the shortest ASPath. And we have a few more steps too, but I'm not gonna talk about them because normally the tie is broken with these 5 steps. And normally that's gonna be enough if you know just these 5 steps.